People are already acting like Anshul Jubli's career is finished because he has had a rough start in the UFC. But that is the most casual take you can make when you do not understand how MMA works. He came into the promotion from a country with almost no MMA infrastructure, no high level training partners, no elite coaches, and still earned a contract in the most competitive fight organization in the world. That alone says a lot about his drive and work ethic. The truth is, when you make the jump without years of top level opposition, the learning curve is brutal, and the UFC is the harshest proving ground possible. Every flaw is exposed instantly. Early setbacks are not the end, they are lessons, and fighters who survive them often come back better than ever. When I watch Jubli, I see a big lightweight with solid fundamentals, composure under pressure, and the frame to give problems to anyone. Once his skill set catches up, we have seen countless examples of fighters struggling early and then turning it around. Charles Oliveira, Michael Bisping, Dustin Poirier all had rocky stretches. This sport is about adjustments and mental strength. If you are willing to fix your weaknesses and come back sharper, you can rewrite the story for Jugli. That means improving his wrestling defense, adding layers to his striking, and finding ways to make opponents respect his offense. He now has access to resources and training partners he never had in India, and that kind of upgrade can accelerate development fast. The fans clowning him now will flip the second he strings a couple of solid wins together, because MMA fans have short memories. His next step is to show visible improvement the next time he fights, whether that is stuffing takedowns, cleaner boxing, or smarter game plans. If he does that, the whole narrative changes because he has already proven he is resilient. Getting to the UFC without a blueprint is proof of that. This is not about blind hype, it is about understanding where he is in his career. He is not a finished product, and that is fine. The key is whether he learns, adapts, and keeps showing up. And all signs point to him being that kind of fighter. If he locks in the right training environment and stays disciplined, he will bounce back. And when he does, the same people dismissing him now will be pretending they believed in him the whole time.